Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of TripleTrafficBots, which launches on the 12th of May at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this excellent new release from Glyn Kosky. If you want a newbie-friendly automated traffic system in which you can bank 3+ figures daily in profits using 100% free tools, then this is the system for you. Listen on to this review video. I will also be going through the exclusive bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up TripleTrafficBots from my link. You'll be able to pick them up by clicking any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And I wouldn't want that to happen because, as the name suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. They won't be available from any other affiliates. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other people are offering with their copies of TripleTrafficBots, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way, way better and way more useful than what anyone else is offering. Well, what is TripleTrafficBots? Well, I will also be taking you into the members area. Here is the members area of TripleTrafficBots. And what it essentially is, it's a way to build two different types of lists at the same time. It is also a way to set up unlimited retargeting of people who visit your pages and don't buy first time around. And more importantly, it's a way of doing all of this using completely free tools. So the system is designed to be completely newbie friendly, so you can get a shed load of traffic without having to pay for all the typical things that you would normally have to pay for, like autoresponders, paid advertising, paid messenger advertising, and all sorts of things like that. Page building software, all of those things. Glyn is going to show you places where you can get all of this stuff completely free. So for a newbie starting out, I would say that this is probably, I'm keen not to hype things or exaggerate, but it's probably one of the best products that's been released this year if you're a complete newbie, because it really shows you how to do all of the basic stuff for free of charge. And I mean absolutely free, not spending a penny or a cent. So it's a very good product, this, folks. I think you can probably gather that. So it's newbie friendly, automated traffic system. You can bank 3+ figures daily profits with 100% free tools. You can generate traffic, leads, sales and affiliate commissions using 100% free tools. So you will get a 3-in-1 automated traffic system that turns any campaigns into multiple profits. You'll get a hassle-free affiliate system without any paid tools or services. You can multiply your profits in any niche. 0 experience or technical skills needed. As I was saying earlier, you can build 2 different types of highly profitable lists in one. 0 product creation needed. Scale your income to lifestyle income. Get paid up front for 100% risk-free profits and 100% ethical traffic and lead generation system. Now, if that sounds something that's of interest to you, then I think this is definitely going to be a product that you'll really like. So step 1 is that you log in and watch the step-by-step videos. Step 2 is that you use the proven methods that Glyn demonstrates. And step 3 is that you get long-term profits. So I'll come into the members area in a minute, but first let's have a look at the bonuses that I've got covered for you here. So as I said, it's this video that I'm recording now will be here. Underneath here on the sales page. By the way, you get to the sales page by clicking the link immediately underneath this review video. So here you've got the main sales video, so watch that.
What do you never hear from online marketers?
All right, so I'll let you watch that in your own time. And then these are the bonuses I'm going to give you. Obviously, one of the key factors to this method working is traffic generation. So I'm giving you loads and loads of different ways as a newbie that you can drive a shed load of traffic, most of it free. Now, the first masterclass here is a 7-video masterclass on how to get 100,000 visitors to any website or link you want in 1 hour. All right. So that is the first masterclass that I'm throwing in. The second one is 2 super traffic hacks for newbies that I've learned this year. They are my second bonus to you. The third one, this is an 1.5-hour masterclass on YouTube traffic, both paid and unpaid, showing you exactly the right and wrong way to do YouTube traffic and teaching you everything you need to know about it if you're new to that. The ultimate SEO masterclass. Now, as Glyn actually says in the sales video, it's the slowest of all the methods, but that doesn't mean it isn't worth doing. Yeah. So what you've got here is an 1.5-hour masterclass on what's currently working in search engine optimization, and that'll take you through it. And this one, I think, is a real eye-opener for me. It's a LinkedIn free traffic masterclass. And again, this is about an 1.5 hours of content showing you how you can maximize free traffic using LinkedIn, something that very, very few affiliate and internet marketers are currently doing. So that is my 5th bonus. So I hope you can see here that I've stacked in hundreds of dollars of value with those bonuses, lots of additional training there. And to get them, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons before that countdown timer reaches 0. Now, when you pick up your copy of Triple Traffic Bots, the first thing that you to do is to watch the main intro video from Glyn up there, then register for his free VIP members workshop. All right. He's also got a hosting deal, which you may or may not be interested in, and a product recommendation. Again, these are entirely optional extras. Yeah. So the first thing to do is to watch your opening video on how Triple Traffic
Hello
Bots
and
works.
welcome to Triple Traffic Bots.
All right. So, and then what you've got is how to set up your site. Got all your training for that one there. And all the elements that you need to get. These are all free elements, remember, yeah. How to create pages easily. And again, it's all walkthrough videos, lots of content here, yeah. How to create the additional pages that you need. Again, all of the downloads and everything that you need is included. How to set up the email capture. Again, that's all included. How to set up the pixel. This is for your retargeting. How to set up the chat bot. This is going to be for targeting on Facebook Messenger. How to deliver your lead magnet. How to send Facebook messages the correct way and not get banned. Getting buyer traffic. And the overall strategy explained. And then you've got awesome resources here. Everything that you need to work with the method. And then you've got bonus training on how to create lead magnets fast and how to get traffic for affiliate offers and e-com products, yeah. And then we'll go through these on the sales page. You've got a shed load of absolutely excellent bonuses underneath here. And you've also got some exclusive Facebook marketing groups, and you can download most of Glyn's previous products as well. He really adds value, I have to say, this guy. Very impressive. So you can see there that this is a pretty impressive setup, folks, and I'm very impressed by it. Glyn, as you probably know, is a super affiliate and a great product creator. He knows pretty much what there is to know about affiliate marketing. So I'll let you, as usual, read through the sales page for yourself, because that's something that you don't need me to read out for you. I'll just, if I see any really salient points, some of the key factors: build 2 types of lists at the exact same time, instantly monetize new subscribers so you get paid to build your list, and leverage multiple traffic and messaging platforms to maximize ongoing profits is a very good method. There's Brendan Mace, John O. Armstrong's mentor, and if he's impressed, then I'm impressed. So you use free and premium traffic to generate laser-targeted leads on autopilot, monetize new leads instantly, and maximize long-term profits. I think we just said that, haven't we? So let's go down here. All the software and everything is free and included. That's what I'm saying. Get the front end of this, and unless you want to scale up and do other stuff, you don't need to pay anything more. All right. So why you need it? They've proven beyond doubt that anyone can achieve this in 24 hours or less. You don't need a website or an existing email list. No product creation, 100% newbie friendly, but also perfect for experienced marketers. They're perhaps looking to reduce their costs or try something different. Only takes a few minutes to set up. Work less than you did online, but generate more leads and sales. No waiting on everything. Give you everything you need to generate sales right out of the gate. Start from flat broke other than buying this product. 3+ figures in pure daily profits are waiting for you inside. So this is all the usual stuff. Let's just go down to the bottom here, folks. These are the step-by-step video guys. I think I've more or less shown you these inside. So these are what I was saying. You get access to the private Facebook group, quick start checklist, and live master training. They are the 2 training videos I showed you in the bonus section. Designed for anyone, basically. There's a pro and a light version, and you're going to be mad to take the light version, really, because there's only $3 difference. So you're talking about $14.95 or $17.95 for the pro version, and for the bonuses that you get for the pro membership is you get access to additional money making tools. You can create unlimited Triple Traffic Bots campaigns where you've got a limit with the light version. Additional traffic training videos, 0 monthly fees during the launch period only, and 1,000 times your earnings potential with the pro version. So there it is, $17.95, and that's just a confirmation of everything that you get with it. All right, we will have a look at the upsells. So I'm obviously going to be recommending that you take this front end. I think this is a brilliant product. And the upsells, let's just have a look. Is this page going to load? Someone we've got that's just the main product. Okay, so Traffic Bots Gold, let me just find the price for you. $47, and this gets you access to a library of done for you funnels. Proven funnels that will get you sales, make you money, generate you leads. The funnels include landing pages, an autoresponder email sequence, push button sequence, 100% done for you affiliate offers pre-selected, copy and paste plugin system. Done for you funnels is the easiest way to make money online. No need to pay for funnel creation work again. No need to pay copywriters. No need to pay for design. No tech skills, no website or hosting needed. 100% done for you. So if you're looking for a completely done for you solution, then I think that is not a bad investment. The next upsell is Platinum Lead Magnet Library. Let's see how much that one costs. That costs $47 as well. And what you get in this one is access to their deluxe library of lead magnets and a deluxe library of digital products. Download or hosted on their server. Lead magnets will generate leads for free. Newbie friendly, one-click lead generation, 100% done for you solution. Obviously, watch the videos for each of these upsells, but this is a pretty good product as well for lead generation. Titanium, which is the third upsell, which is also $47. It's a consistency here. By the way, if you turn any of these down, you'll be offered a downsell version for $27, which will be slightly less featured, but it'll have most of the key stuff in it. So if you can live without absolutely everything, then you may want to take the downsells instead. Triple Traffic Bots gives you actual Facebook pixel and ads training. Obviously, you get in the basic setup as they'll show you how to set your Facebook pixel up. But if you want in-depth Facebook pixel and ads training, additional Facebook software tools, crush it retargeting with Facebook, full-length video training to help you make money, 10 times money-making video series, 10 times fast-track cheat sheets, access to the personal traffic Rolodex, zero costs, vital you take this training to help you with Facebook. So if you want to major in on Facebook, then definitely I would say to take this particular upgrade. The fourth upsell is TripleTrafficBots automated traffic flow, and that is going to be $97. And what you get with this is a done for you traffic stream. Your buyers, your Facebook and Google Ads pixel can be placed on all of their previous sales pages and the sales page of the TripleTrafficBots launch. Trainings included on how to get your pixel, trainings included on how to run ads via retargeting to this huge audience. This is as close as it gets to free, high converting, highly targeted affiliate make money online niche traffic. So if you can afford it, that one's well worth it. And the final one is the license rights, which I think are normally $197. Yes, they are. Yeah, $197 for the rights, license rights to sell it as your own product. So take as many of those as you can. Obviously, license rights, it will depend, if you really want that. If you major into Facebook, then I would certainly take the titanium upgrade. If you want loads of free traffic, then go for the pixeled upsell there, which will get you a ton of retargeting traffic. And that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, to get these bonuses, don't forget about all these custom bonuses that are unique to me. Click on the green button, come through to the sales page. Sorry, that's the members area. Go down to the bottom of the page, click on Get Triple Traffic Bots Now. Pay for your pro version. You're mad if you take the light version, but it is of course up to you. And then you will come back into the bonus area here, Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your purchase of Triple Traffic Bots, and click on the blue button to access my bonuses. And that is pretty much it, folks. All that remains as ever is for me to hope that you will pick this up from the link underneath, and to thank you for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of TripleTrafficBots.